Kumpirmadong kasama sa senatorial slate ng Administration Party si MTRCB Chair Grace Polia Manzares. Tiniyak ito ni Pangulong Aquino sa paikipanayam ng mga mamamahayag. Ayon sa Pangulo, pasok din sa ticket sina dating Akbayan Representative Risa Hontiveros, Congressman Sonny Angara, dating Senador Ramon Magsaysay at Senator Coco Pimentel. Gayunman, hindi kumpirmado ng Pangulo kung kasama rin ang pinsan nitong si Bam Aquino at Senator Cheese Escudero. Sinabi pa ng Pangulo na pag-uusapan pa rin kung makakasama sa ticket ang mga kaalyadong sina Congressman Erin Tanada at TESDA Chief Joel Villanueva. Magpupulong ang Liberal Party sa buwang ito upang i-finalize ang senatorial slate.
Si Grace, Polia Manzares is already in the ticket. Grace Polia Manzares. Hindi dati na, makabang ibang Grace ang pilot. Grace Polia Manzares.
Okay. And
Tapos, si John Magsaysay. John Magsaysay. Hindi ko nag-discount ngayon. But the other seven, can I just I have to talk to the LP and we have to talk to the coalition partners. So we come up with our final. The last time we were discussing, kasi there were still 13 or 14 names to fill the 12. And we're still negotiating as to who will be included and conversely who will be excluded.